What's going on, y'all? I made some vinegar, salt, garlic, and a little bit of MSG, and some fresh Thai chili, red sauce right here. Simple and easy to make. And I got some fried salty fish. So it's gonna be fire. And I got a few, bitter melon right here. Just have some crunch to it. But all right, man, let's eat. Fish, y'all. Fish is salty, crispy, delicious. With this sauce right here, different level, man. Crispy. Simple breakfast, y'all. Salty fried fish, a little bit of vinegar sauce. That's all you need. Best part right here, the belly of the fish. A little vinegar dip, like that. Anyways, try the sauce out, man. All you need is vinegar, salt, MSG, just a little bit of sugar, and garlic, and Thai chili. And mix them all up. And you can eat this with any dried fish, fried mackerel, fried tilapia. I mean, it's awesome, so give it a try.